Ladies and gentlemen, they've done the work, so now let's record a salary in Zoho Books. Ladies and gentlemen, on the left-hand side, you will see purchases. And under purchases, you'll see expenses. Now, for any company, a salary is an expense to the company. So what we want to go ahead and do here is create a new expense. Now, you can either record expense or you can go ahead and click on create new expense. Here, you can go and first of all, expense account. Look for expense account. And here you are going to go ahead and you are going to type in salary. You'll see it is under salaries and employee wages. Okay. You can now add in your amount. Next, you're going to come down to the paid through section. And here you can select where it is paid through. Now, if you have your bank account, your company bank account connected to Zoho Books, this option will pop up and you're going to go ahead and you're going to select the bank account. All right. You can also select a vendor if you'd like. Right now, we are going to leave it just as is because this vendor is not related to any salary expenses here. You can also just add in notes. We've got our customer name and this will be our user. Okay. So this is the person that we're actually paying. We're going to pay Shanae. You can also add in a project that it's being paid for, but that's fun. Now, once we've done this, okay, we can go ahead and click on save, or you can click on save and create new. You can also go and click on bulk add expenses. So this means that you'll have multiple fields over here if you are doing more than one salary. And then also, let's just say save here. You can actually go ahead. Once you're in this section, if you go ahead and click on the more actions, you can actually import expenses. And if you have had your salaries paid on a previous software, you can actually import it directly from there.